Understanding negative personality traits in English. Hello, English learners. Today we're diving into an interesting topic: negative personality traits. We all know that people can't be perfect, right? So it's equally important to understand and describe the less than perfect aspects of someone's personality as it is the positive ones. Let's explore some examples of these negative traits together. Remember, learning these words can significantly enrich your English vocabulary and conversational skills, but always use them considerately. Negative personality traits refer to characteristics or qualities that are generally seen as unfavorable or detrimental in a person. These could range from being lazy to being arrogant. Understanding these can help you better express your thoughts and opinions about people around you. But remember, everyone has their unique mix of positive and negative traits. It's what makes us human. Now let's take a look at some common examples of negative personality traits. We'll define each trait and provide a sample sentence to help you understand how to use it in a conversation. 1. Arrogant. Someone who believes they are better or more important than others. Example: John is so arrogant. He always thinks he knows everything. 2. Rude. Someone who is impolite or does not show respect to others. Example: she was very rude at the party, interrupting people while they were speaking. 3. Lazy. This refers to someone who is not willing to work or use any effort. Example: my roommate is so lazy. He never helps with the housework. 4. Stubborn. Someone who is not willing to change their ideas or to consider anyone else's reasons or arguments. Example: she's so stubborn. Once she's made up her mind, there's no changing it. 5. Dishonest. This refers to a person who does not tell the truth or who cheats or steals. Example: I don't trust him anymore because he has been dishonest with me in the past. It's important to note that while knowing these negative traits can enhance your English language skills, you should use them judiciously and respectfully in conversations. People are often sensitive to criticism, so it's always best to use these words in a constructive and understanding manner. Well, that wraps up our lesson on negative personality traits in English. Now you have a better understanding of how to describe someone's less than perfect traits. Keep practicing these new words and use them in your day-to-day conversations. Remember, language is a powerful tool that can shape our understanding of people around us. Use it wisely and respectfully. Until next time, happy learning.